Here's a short video on how to add a zipper pull to zipper tape that you have cut that doesn't come with the pulls already on it. So I've already cut it down to the size I need, but the first thing I do is I burn the ends to seal them. That keeps them from fraying and makes it a lot easier when you're handling them. Just a quick burn like that, and then you want to look at the end and you want to see which side is higher. So this right side is higher, so that's the one you want to feed in first. So you're going to separate it, then you're going to take your pole, feed it in like that and like that. It kind of goes at an angle. And then you want to look in this end and you can see which side is higher. And so the right side is higher. So I'm just going to push it in and see it went 2. And if you continue zipping it up like that, you'll have a little bubble. See how it's kind of bowed out on this side? So I'm going to take it back off and try it again. So we'll get that lined up a little bit better, and now you can see it's just 1 tooth ahead on the right side. I'll push it down, and as you can see, now it's 1 tooth ahead on the right side, and your zipper pulls on, just like that. So you can also put it on from the back side. It's a little more challenging, so we'll start from the same end, where the right side is 1 tooth higher than the left. And you still need to separate it, but not as far. Just 1 click should do. And if you look in here, you can see the little separator. So we're just gonna shove it on like that. Takes a little more finesse. And once you get it up to about that height, you wanna pull this apart, because remember, this way, it's opening it when you pull it back. And there you go. Put it on from the back.